All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about the M12 angle die grinder from Milwaukee shutting off on you and what to do about it. All right, so go to use your Milwaukee die grinder. It shuts off, right? What's the fix? Well, the fix is don't jam it down. This is not an air die grinder. It has an electric motor and it has electronics into it to prevent it from hurting itself. An air die grinder just going to pump air and blow until it binds up and it's going to stop turning. The Milwaukee is going to shut itself off to protect itself. So what you want to do is let the tool do its job. Don't press down on it. Let it do its job. One of the things is get it fully up to speed before you touch it against the surface. I see a lot of people complain about this tool shutting off on them. That's where it comes from. I had to figure that out for myself because when I was going to use it, I used it like a air die grinder going, and it would just shut off. It's designed to protect itself. So anytime you're grinding on something and it's shutting off, you're pushing too hard down on it. Simple as that. I know it sounds counterintuitive. As technicians, we're used to, bearing down to grind on something, but let the tool and your abrasive do its job. Just let the tool do what it does. Again, you go to bind, if it binds up, it's going to shut off. So let the tool do its job. So it's really important when you're doing this that you don't bear down on it. Now the other thing you got to make sure of is check your power, because you get to 1 bar, it's going to start shutting down a lot because it's basically got a dead battery. And it does tend to use batteries pretty well, so don't bear down on it and make sure you've got a charged battery in it and it won't shut down. Just a little helpful hint on using the Milwaukee M12 angle die grinder. Hope this video was informative, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.